Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the file integrity. Check the SHA-256 or provided checksum and compare it to the official value so you know the download is intact. Once done, run the installer as administrator to rule out permission issues and disconnect external drives and VPN. These can interfere with checksums. Make sure you free at least 1/2 GB of temp space. If the checksum mismatches, do not proceed. You'll re-download using a different mirror next. Next, re-download the installer from a different browser or mirror and verify the checksum again so you eliminate CDN or mirror corruption. Then check your antivirus. Some engines block installers during integrity checks, temporarily disable real-time protection, but only while offline and for a short time. After that, repair disk errors and clear temp files. On Windows, run SFC, on Mac OS use disk utility, and on Linux run FSCK to remove file system issues that break integrity verification. To finish, try the installer in a clean boot or safe mode so background apps can't interfere. This often resolves transient integrity failures. If available, prefer the package manager or assigned repository release because those use trusted signatures and automated integrity checks. Once installation succeeds, re-enable protection and restore settings. If you still get failures, capture the exact installer log and error text, then perform a fresh user account or system install as a last resort. That log is the key for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.